More than 2,000 people passed away from opioid-related overdoses in 2016. Today, purple flags were placed in their honor to raise awareness about addiction. Our Roslyn Flaherty joins us live now with more. Roslyn?
Olivia, tomorrow is International Overdose Awareness Day, and recovery coaches at UMass Medical Center want people to know addicts are suffering and dying. A powerful message stands outside UMass Memorial Medical Center.
This is really like an eye-opener for a lot of people. It's really important to recognize the people that we've lost.
2,069 flags are placed in the ground to represent opioid-related deaths in Massachusetts in just the last year.
This isn't different from any other medical illness, and this is a disease.
Families and friends of those lost to overdoses helped hospital staff line the flags. Louise Viola lost her son 7 years ago to addiction and has another son who is also suffering from the disease.
It's most important for people to be aware that these are people who are struggling and didn't choose to be addicts.
Viola says her son was 42 when he died after being addicted to alcohol and cocaine for many years. She says her advice to other parents is to listen.
Love them, not to let the anger, the upset in the family overtake them, to remind them that they're a good person, that they need help.
Richard Kenny is a recovery coach at UMass Memorial Medical Center. He says he was under the influence for a decade and has lost family members to addiction.
One thing led to another, and by the time it spirals out of control, it's more than you can really, it's more of a burden.
He says his experience as an addict makes it easier for him to help coach those affected. Kenny has been sober since July 2014 and wants others to know recovery is possible.
It's not like a pie in the sky idea. It's not some, it's not a fantasy. It's possible.
Now, if you're admitted to UMass Memorial Medical Center, recovery coaches are available to meet with. There are other resources outside the hospital like Everyday Miracles in Worcester or the Massachusetts Substance Abuse Hotline. Olivia?